Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let's do another Sudoku today. So today we have this Sudoku here. First we will start with looking at each number. Number 1, let's see if we can fill in number 1 in any box. So I have 1 in here, here, 4 of them. Let's see if I can fill in anything. See here, there is no 1. 1 is not allowed in here, or here, or here, or here, because we already have 1 in here and here. So 1 definitely is going to be here. And we don't know which one is going to be, so we have to skip that with lack of information. And here is missing 1. And we know that 1 is not going to be here, here, because it's already here. So 1 has to be here or here, which we also don't know where to put. Now, let's come into this box here. We know there is 1 in here, so it's not going to be here or here or here. We know that 1 is going to be here. Ask me why it's not here or here. It's because, so when we take a look at this box just now, we already know that 1 is not going to be here. So we know that 1 is definitely going to be one of this box here. And if we take a look at this box right here, we know that 1 is not going to be this side because it's all filled in. So 1 has to be one of this box. And if that is not this box, then here we go. This is the only box for 1. Do another one in here. That's very straightforward. We have 1 in here, so not here. 1, not here. 1, not here. So 1 in here. We are missing 1 in here or 1 in here and 1 in here. Let's skip to 2. If we can fill in any 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, so 2. 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 is going to be not here, not here or here, so 2 is going to be one of this box. 2 is here, not sure yet. The 2 is here or here, not sure. 2 is this box here. Okay, so no more 2 to fill in. Let's go to other number 3. Number 3, we have 3 in here. So 3 here. So here. So 3 and 3. So number 3 is going to be here. Not sure which one is that yet, but we will skip. So 3. It's not going to be here. Maybe this and this and this. That's not good. 3. We are going to put 3 in. Okay, let's take a look at this box here. So 3 is going to be here. It is not going to be here, so it's going to be in this 3 box. So if 3 has to be in this 3 box, meaning that it cannot be this box or this box, and 3 cannot be this box, so 3 has to be in here. Now 3 and 3. Now 3 has to be in this box. The rest of the box has no information to fill in. 4 here. Straightforward. 4 is not allowed to put in here because it is already here, so this is the only place for 4. Now 4 is here. 4 is here. No, 4 should be here. Down here. 4 and 4 and 4. So 4 is here. 4, 4, 4, 4. Do we fill in all the 4 already? I think it's done, 4. So let's move on. 5 is here, here, here. And let's see. So 5 should be here. This line is done. And 5 would be one of these boxes. Because 5 is here. Okay, so 5 is here. So not here. 5 here, not here. So one of this box. 5. Right, take a look at this line here. 5 it should be here. 5 not here. Not here. So 5 is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is here, so 7 cannot be here. 7 has to be here, so 6 has to be here. Now 5, 6. 6 is here, no, not here. Here. 6 here. 6. 6. Yeah, there is only one number missing, so let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Cool, that's done. Here 8. So 1, 2 is missing. 2 cannot be here because we already have a 2 in here. 2 cannot be here because 2 is here. So 2 has to be here. 3 could be any of this box, not sure yet. 4, 5 cannot be here because we already have a 5 in here. So 5 has to be here. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 3 in the last box. So here it's only missing one number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in this box. So we know that 8 is in this box. So not here, not here. 8 is in here. So not here either. 8 has to be here. 8 is here, so not here, not here. 8 is here, so not here. There we go, 8. So this line here has one number missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 7 is not in here. 1 is missing. 1 is here, so it's not going to be here. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. The final number in this box. Done. Here is missing one number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here it already have 5, so not 5 here. Here. 6, 7, 8, 9. Done. So here 1 is missing. It's going to be here or here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is going to be here. 8, 9 is going to be here. So 1 and 7 is still missing in here. We'll take a look. Here 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 has to be here. 2 is here. 8, 9. So if the 7 is here, 7 cannot be here. 7 has to be here and 1. So now 1 is filled in. So we're not going to fill 1 in here or here. There is only space for 1 is here. 2 is here because we already have a 2. 3, 4, 5. 5 is here, so not going to be here. It's be here. 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2 is not going to be here or here because we already have a here, and 2 is here, so not here. Here. 3 is here, so not here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is here, so not here. And 9. Finish.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you like watching me solving Sudoku, please subscribe and click the bell button. See you in the next video.